Hello friends, my name is Iqbal and you are watching the Honest Suggestion channel. Today I am here to discuss about the process of vehicle washing. How frequent washing is required and when and why it is required we will see in this video. First, learn the results what we will obtain from a good vehicle part. First is good sheen on the body parts. Second, clean engine compartments. Third, friction reduction in brake parts and suspension parts. Fourth, degreasing on the major parts like the fuel pump and the injection areas which unnoticed can catch fire cause of grease build-up on engine equipments. Fifth, less chance of rats and foul smell going inside the cabin. Sixth, if we always clean the engine compartment, hardening of wire harness can be reduced 25% and the ground of the vehicle will be fresh and helps in proper functioning of the electrical parts. Let's see what things are required. First, we need a power washing machine with a decent pressure from the back. I mean the pipe with the running tap water with decent pressure, cause these pressure machines need a little pressure. Second, we need a good car shampoo which has a very good wax in it for a good shine, and it should not contain a detergent cause we love our car paint and don't want it to be hurt by detergent. Detergent will build up scaling on the paint, reducing the life of visual appearance. Third, we need a bucket of 1 gallon, that is 3.7 liter, and add 2 caps of shampoo or do what is guided on the bottle of shampoo. Fourth, a microfiber, water magnet or leather shimwash for lifting heavy drops of water. Water magnet for cleaning the moisture or a microfiber can be used at the last stage. Let's start the process. First, mix shampoo with water and keep it aside to dissolve and generate good lather. Mind if you take a mild hot water cause it will help in generate more lather. Second, attach the parts of the pressure washer. Here I am having a Black & Decker power washer which have a decent pressure, and yes, it is more durable than Bosch and Karcher. Karcher is also very good product, but you have to spend more for a better article. Bosch can be purchased, but keep in mind that Bosch parts are not very easily available in the market. Now let's start the process, but before that let me give the overlook of the car appearance. Damn, it's very dirty. See the hood and fender. Let's move the camera into the arches and engine compartment. This look pretty bad. Though our traditional way of cleaning the vehicle is just cleaning the parts which are visible to our eyes, that is like body parts, fender, bonnet, roof. But there are areas where the dirt should be removed for proper cleaning and proper functioning of the vehicle. Okay, so I will show you the underhood area as well. It will be very dirty because it's a diesel engine. Yes, there are many equipment in diesel engine. I will wash the engine compartment as well, and I will deal with every single equipment with my pressure washer. There is no harm in cleaning the diesel engine, and I love to clean all the areas of the vehicle. Let's show you how I put the pressure on the engine. Now I will apply pressure. You can see easily how the pressure is able to remove all the dirt from the panels. Let's put some pressure into the arches and clean the areas. Put some more pressure into the disc and drum so that brakes are clean. Now I will rub the vehicle with the microfiber applied with shampoo. Here is the deal. First clean the roof, then hood, side portion, back portion, then clean the wheel, and leftover apply it under the hood. After finishing with the shampoo part, let's wash the vehicle. You can see the shampoo are being cleaned by water pressure, and the wax is being leaved out on the body, which give us a sheen and shine on the vehicle. Last steps, cleaning the water leftovers. I will first take help from the leather shimwash cause it will pull more water from the surface. Then I will use water magnets or a simple microfiber cloth to clean the moisture. Now see the areas of the arches, brake area, engine areas are all cleaned. Washing also increase the performance indirectly because you clean the engine areas, that leads to cool the engine. The alternator coil is also cleaned by the pressure. The suspension parts are also clean, which leads to proper functionality of the parts and ensure the long life of the suspension. The brake will work properly because of the dirt deposit removal from pad and shoe. Let's see the final result. Wow. If you want to know about the clothes I use in this process, kindly ask in comment section.